Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe, like and share my videos. This is the 11th video in the series of ECET in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. This is the syllabus for second semester Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. So in that the first topic is drilling. So that's why today we are going with the drilling. So these are the contents in the syllabus of drilling topic. Or first of all, what is the working principle of drilling? So the rotating edge of the drill exerts a large force on the workpiece and the hole is generated. Generally drilling is nothing but it is to make the holes. See, the removal of metal in a drilling operation is by shearing and extrusion. So let's get started with the first question. A twist drill is specified by its shank, material and which of the following? Means a twist drill is specified by what all the things? This question was asked in ECET 2020. So the options are diameter, lip angle, length of its body and size of fluid. So answer for this question is, look at all the things like a diameter, overall length, fluid, shank. These all are required. Hence the correct answer is A, that is diameter. Shank, material and diameter are the things to specify the twist drill. Second question, a 15 mm drilling machine means that it can drill a hole of maybe in 15 mm thick plates or of maximum diameter 15 mm having cross sectional area 15 mm square or none of the above. So what is meant by this 15 mm drilling machine? It means, so it is of maximum diameter 15 mm. It can drill a hole of maximum diameter 15 mm. Third question reads, which of the following operation we can perform on drilling machine? So reaming, spot facing, tapping and all of the above. Here the correct answer. So before going to look at the correct answer, the operations are drilling, reaming, boring, counter boring, counter sinking, tapping, spot facing. These all the operations are done by drilling machine. Hence the correct answer is all of the above are correct. Moving on to the fourth question. The speed of high speed steel drills are when compared to high carbon steel drills. So high speed steel drills are comparing with high carbon steels. What is the difference between the speed? So high speed steel drills are double having speed or having half speed or less speed or none of the above. Here the high speed steel drills are having high speed or double speed than high carbon steel drills. A is the correct answer. Fifth question, which of the following device is used for holding the work in a drilling machine? So maybe drill jigs or step block or both of the above or none of the above. So the correct answer is work holding devices are step blocks, clamps, V-blocks, angles, jigs, T-slot bolt. Hence the correct answer is both. Drill jigs and step blocks are used to hold the work. Sixth question reads, which of the following operation is carried out to make the hole dimensionally more accurate? It may be boring, reaming, tapping or none of the above. Here the correct answer is, look at this. So reaming is the correct answer. We can see in the figures, first one is drilling, which we can see in the yellow color figure. In pink color figure, that is boring. So last one, blue color figure, is a reamer. So in reamer we can see accurate cutting or accurate hole is making in that reaming operation. Seventh question reads, which of the following is not a part of drilling machine? So head, spindle, mandrel and column. So out of given options, which is not the part of drilling machine? So these are the parts of the drilling machine. Here mandrel is not there in the list. Hence the correct answer is mandrel. C. Mandrel is not the part of drilling machine. Eighth question. A cutting tool used to finish and enlarge a hole is known as. To finish and enlarge a hole may be reamer or tap or drill or die. So the correct answer is reamer. A is correct answer. So reamer is used to finish and enlarge a hole. Ninth question. The drilling machine was primarily designed to originate a cylindrical surface, a flat surface, a taper surface and none of the above. So drilling machine was primarily designed to originate or to make holes, not this kind of things. Means answer is none of the above. Originally it is there to prepare holes. 10th question, which of the following process is carried out to provide seating for head of screw? So which of the following process is carried out to provide seating for head of screw? Maybe countersinking, or tapping, a counter boring, none of the above. Here the correct answer is countersinking. So this is the operation. With this countersinking we can prepare the head for the seating of screw. So countersinking is the correct answer. 11th question, which of the following drilling machine can rotate in all three directions, like X, Y and Z axis? So maybe radial drilling machine, portable drilling machine, both or none of the above. Here the correct answer is radial drilling machine is used in all the three directions. 12th question, which of the following metals does not require any coolant during reaming process? So maybe cast iron, aluminium, steel or copper. So during cast iron, during reaming process in cast iron, so coolant is not required. 13th question, when the job is held on earth, so for drilling operation, the drill rotates with 45-degree incline to both the planes, a downward direction or upward direction or none of the above. The answer is downward direction. 14th question, to produce more accurate holes, which of the following operations should be performed second? So out of all the options, which is the second one? So out of reaming, drilling, centering and boring, we know centering is first and second is drilling, third is reaming, fourth is boring. So second is drilling operation. 15th question, which of the following drilling machine is suitable for a job with multiple hole? So maybe radial drilling machine, a gang drilling machine, a portable drilling machine, none of the above. So to make multiple holes, the gang drilling machine is used, as we can see in this figure. 16th question, the grooves provided on the entire length of the body of twist drill are called. These are called flutes, or lips, or margins, or webs. The correct answer is, look at this. So that is nothing but flute, we can see in the middle of the figure. Hence the correct answer is flutes. The grooves provided on the entire length of the body of twist drill are flutes. So this is the end of the video. All the best for your coming up examination. This is your Mahesh Dole signing off.